And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to break down a whole chicken like a chef. Now let's get started. Okay, what you want to do is first use a boning knife, and what you want to do is take your chicken, and down here you're going to feel a bone in between, like the breastbone. So you want to take your knife. Now you want to actually score it against that bone. So, and then what you're going to do is right here against the rib, you're going to take your knife and actually press against the rib, so you're not going and cutting into the actual chicken breast. So it's just gradual. You're just going to take your time with this. It really helps when you have a really sharp knife. Now over here is by the wishbone. So you want to go towards the wishbone and actually cut down. So as you could see the rib and the bone and everything all clear and cut off by then. Now we're just going to cut a little bit of that skin off, like so. Now we're going to do the other side. So we're going and actually let the knife do the work. So we are going and actually cutting against the actual rib bones. So I'm going to pull it towards me. Now we're going to go right to the wishbone itself and pulling it across. Now what you want to do is cut across, separate your breast meat from the actual thigh meat. Now what you do is there's a little bone right here that you want to crack. And then take your knife and just cut along the side and let the gravity of the chicken actually do the work for you. So on the other side, so you want to grab on the side, let the gravity of the chicken, crack that open. Now you want to go in between the joint. Now you have another beautiful ear-line breast right there. Now we're going to go and get the chicken thighs. So you want to do is crack and pop the bones across. Now you want to take your knife, and right here as you could see is a little joint. So you're going across to the joint and let the gravity of the chicken actually pull it across. So now you have your chicken thigh and leg. So you're going to do the same thing. So as you can see, you have cut along here, but the chef's secret is you pull up onto the chicken leg itself and you cut across. So now you have your chicken leg. Now this, the leftover or the bones, this will be perfect for a chicken stock. So we are going to save this and put it aside. Now our chicken legs and thighs, we're going to break these down additional. So what you do is right here across from the joint, we're going to cut down. We're going to pop, as you can hear. Now we're going to cut fully across. And there you have it. You have your chicken thigh and your chicken leg. We'll do it again. So across here, you can see this line right here. That's where we're going to basically cut down first. We're going to pop it and then cut right down. And there you have it. Your chicken leg and chicken thigh. Now we have our chicken breast. Now right here is our tenderloin of our chicken. So these will be perfect. So you have your chicken right here. So if you want to earline your chicken breast, what you do is you cut down, get that down. Now you take your knife, cut around to the bone, like so. Now what you do is you pull on the meat, and there you have it. You have a beautiful, perfect earline chicken breast, like so. Or you could cut down on the side, like to the bone itself. Pop that. And now you have your cut across. Now you have chicken for chicken wings right here. And you have a beautiful breast, chicken breast. So when you break it all the way down, you have your chicken, earline chicken, you have your chicken tenders, you have your wings, you have your thighs, and you have your chicken legs. And that's how you break down a chicken. And that is how we break down a chicken. Now you have plenty of different opportunities to make different dishes, like chicken wings, like fried chicken, you have earline chicken. So, and we can make a beautiful chicken stock. So if you'd like to see more videos like these, please like and subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching. Thank you.